Hey guys, today I will teach you how to solve a 2 by 2 using the beginner's method. So, the first step is to solve an entire layer of any color. But I am going to use white for this tutorial because most of the beginners start by solving the white color first. A layer is not only an entire color solved but also the colors around it lined up. So once the cube is scrambled, we are going to search for white pieces like this, this and this. And now we are going to choose any white piece and keep it at the bottom as our first solved piece. For example, I am going to keep green, orange, white as my first solved piece and search for other white pieces like this one. And as you can see, the first orange piece is solved and the other orange piece should come right next to it. So the other orange piece is this, and we are going to place this directly above the place where it should go. And now we are going to do a sequence of 4 moves so that this piece gets solved. So you are going to catch the cube like this with your left hand and like this with your right hand. Now follow my moves. First, right side up, push the top face with your right hand, right side down, and push your top face with your left hand. And we are going to do the same until this piece gets solved, like doing a part of the layer. It has done? Not yet, but there is a white piece, but this is not the piece which we are looking for. And we are going to do this sequence of moves again, and now we can see that this piece gets solved. Now we are going to search for other pieces like this, white, blue, red. And as you can see here, one blue piece is solved and the other blue piece is this. So we are going to place this rightly above the place where it should go, and again continue the same sequence of moves. Right side up, push the top face with your right hand, right side down, and push your top face with your left hand. This piece didn't get solved, so we continue the same sequence of moves. And now it is solved. So the last piece is this. And now we are going to, as you can see, this piece is already right above the place where it should go. And now we are going to the same sequence of moves so that a layer will be solved. Right side up, push the top face with your right hand, right side down, and push your top face with the left hand. And as you can see, we have completed our first step, that is building the first layer. But you may get into a case like this where there is no white piece on the top layer, but it is in the correct place, but it is rotated. So now we will do the same sequence of moves like before, and we will take this out like this, and we will keep it the place where it should go, and we will solve this as usual. So once you are done solving the first layer, we will be solving the top layer. So now we will be choosing any piece, like I will go with green, orange, and we will find the corresponding piece on the top layer like green, orange, and yellow. As you can see, we have found it, and you can also notice that these both are matched and they are in the correct spot, and we will be counting such pieces on the top layer. And here we have green, orange, blue, and orange, blue. So these are in the correct spot, and here blue, red, not blue, red. So this is incorrect, and also this is incorrect. So the main motive of this step is that you should get any one piece solved, one piece in the correct spot, or all the 4 pieces in the correct spot, but not like 2 pieces in the correct spot, but not 2 pieces in the wrong spot. So if we move the top face like this, we will have only one piece in the correct spot and the rest all in the wrong spot. So now we will be doing an algorithm which is so simple to remember. So now we will push the right top face with the right hand and right side up. Now again we will do it with the left side. Push the top face with your left hand and left side up. Now we will do the same sequence, but we will be doing the same downwards. Right side, right to left, right side down, and we'll push the top face from left and left side down. And now you can see that this piece is solved, but rest all are not solved. And now we will be repeating the same until they get in the correct spot. As you can see, these all are in the correct spot now. And now we will turn the cube upside down and keep the unsolved piece at your right side. And now we will do the same sequence of 4 moves that I have shown you in the beginning. And we will do this until the piece gets solved, like yellow matches to yellow and orange to orange. As you can see, now it is matched, and we will be solving rest all pieces like this. Instead of turning the whole cube like this, we will be turning only the bottom part like this, and we will do the same sequence of 4 moves again. And again the same to the last piece. And that's it, you're done.